What are the disadvantages of CIT Bank? CIT Bank, a division of First Citizens Bank since 2022, is known for its competitive high-yield savings accounts and lack of monthly maintenance fees. However, it has significant drawbacks that may impact certain customers depending on their needs and financial habits. An interesting fact about CIT Bank is that it consistently offers some of the highest annual percentage yields, APYs, among online banks, such as 4.55% for its Platinum Savings account, provided the balance exceeds $5,000. Conversely, balances below this threshold drop dramatically to a mere 0.25%, creating a sharp divide in returns based on the account holder's ability to maintain a higher balance. One of the primary disadvantages of CIT Bank is its limited accessibility. It operates as an online-only bank, meaning it does not support cash deposits, which can be inconvenient for those who prefer dealing with physical currency. Furthermore, while the bank does provide $30 per month in ATM fee reimbursements, it does not have its own free ATM network, unlike many other online competitors that offer partnerships with nationwide ATM networks. This limitation could lead to higher out-of-pocket costs for frequent cash withdrawals. CIT Bank savings accounts are attractive due to their high APYs, but these benefits come with hurdles. The Platinum Savings account requires a $5,000 minimum balance to unlock its top-tier rate, which could exclude customers with smaller balances. Similarly, its e-checking account demands a $100 opening deposit, a higher barrier compared to other online banks that often allow account opening with no minimum deposit. While the bank has competitive CD, certificate of deposit, offerings, its rates on shorter-term CDs are less impressive when compared to other institutions. Additionally, the bank Savings Builder account, with its tiered interest structure, requires either a $25,000 balance or monthly deposits of $100 to earn competitive rates, which can be restrictive for those with irregular income or lower savings. CIT Bank's reliance on digital platforms means customers depend entirely on online and mobile banking for transactions and support. Although its customer service is available via phone and live chat, the absence of physical branches may be a drawback for customers who prefer in-person assistance. Additionally, users have noted that CIT Bank's online interface can feel outdated compared to other tech-forward competitors, which can detract from the overall customer experience. On the positive side, CIT Bank does not charge monthly maintenance or overdraft fees, which is a notable advantage. It also offers a range of products, from high-yield savings to money market accounts and home loans, making it appealing for certain segments of customers. Nevertheless, its benefits are primarily geared toward individuals who prioritize high APYs and are comfortable managing their finances entirely online. In summary, CIT Bank is a solid choice for tech-savvy savers with substantial balances who seek competitive interest rates. However, its lack of cash deposit options, high balance requirements for premium benefits, limited ATM access, and absence of physical branches can make it less suitable for traditional or low-balance banking customers. For those considering CIT Bank, these factors should weigh heavily in the decision-making process.